Welcome, tech aficionados. Gather round for the scoop on the upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 2, set to drop this September, right alongside the iPhone 15 launch. But wait, there's more. Apple's cooking up some fresh Apple Watch Series 9 models, too. Unfortunately, no love for an Apple Watch SE this time, according to the grapevine. Now let's dive into the good stuff. Picture this. The iconic cellular connectivity is back, so you're always connected on the go. And speaking of style, there's a buzz about a sleek and mysterious titanium finish joining the lineup, alongside the classic silver option. Don't worry about the fit. The familiar 45mm case size is here to stay, so your wrist game remains strong. As for the software magic, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 runs on the vibrant watchOS 10. And guess what? It's not just for the newbies. Your trusty old Apple wearables get a taste too. But the real gem might just be under the hood. The whispers say the Apple Watch Ultra 2 will strut with a brand new S9 chip, promising serious speed and performance upgrades. Imagine that, zippier and mightier. Get your tech calendars ready, folks. September's looking extra exciting. Keep those eyes peeled for the grand reveal, and in the meantime, keep that tech excitement cranked up to 11. Subscribe for more.